Good morning, class 5. So, yesterday we have started our new exercise 8b, in which we have learned how to take out the HCF, that is highest common factor of the two different numbers given. Okay, the first method is listing method, in which we are simply listing the factors of that number. As I told you, factor means the given number is divisible by which all numbers that are known as the factors of that particular number. So in listing method we make a list out of it. Okay, and the next part of the question is find the HCF. In this you have to find out the HCF. First you have to make the list, then you have to take out the common factor, then highest common factor. In the same way 3, 4, 5 also you have to do. Means first write the common factors. So the common factors are this, and the highest common factor of the given numbers is this. So this will become the HCF. Common factors may be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but highest common factor will be only 1, which is highest. Okay, now as I told you, today we'll start question number 6. Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factor method. As I told you yesterday, second method to find out HCF is prime factor method. How we were doing prime factor method? Very easy. See, a number 75 and 125. So two numbers are given. Question number 6a. Okay, 75 and 125. So you have to take out the HCF of 75 and 125. You can either do it separately like this. Okay, so we'll start with the smallest prime number. So this is divisible by 3. So we'll start with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Clear? Now 125. So this is divisible by the least prime number is 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now what you have to do? See, you have to write the factors. Now whatever you have written here in the right side, that you have to write with the multiplication symbol. Okay, first we'll write the common factors. Okay, so 75 we'll write here, which is equal to 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. When we use listing method we put comma, but for doing it in prime factor method we use multiplication symbol. Same with 125, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Now we'll write the common factor. Okay, 5 common, this 5 is also common. So first we'll write the common factor. Common factors of 75 and 125. 5 and 5. Okay, underlined one. See here, 2 and 3 they are common, so we have written 2 and 3 underlined one. In the same way 5 and 5, 2 times 5. Now we have to take out the highest common factor. So highest common factor of 75 and 125 is equal to product. So 5 multiply 5. 2 times 5 are common here. 2 times 5. So we will multiply it, product. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. Okay, so 25 is the HCF. See, product of all common prime factors. So 5 was 2 times over there. So HCF of 75 and 125 is equal to 5 multiply 5, which is equal to 25. Very easy. Now in the same way we will do 3 numbers of 3 digits. Okay, we have to do the same manner 3 numbers. Now I will show you one question with while doing the prime factorization all together. Now see H number: 104, 128 and 176. Here we have done prime factorization separately. We can also do this together. How? 104, 128 and 176. So we can do this together also. How? Let's see. Start with the smallest prime number. So 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16 and again 2 8s are 16. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Again it will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now there is no any table in which or no any number with which these 3 will be divisible together. So we will leave it like this only. And as I defined you yesterday, now we'll take the left hand side numbers, this one, from the numbers which we have divided the given numbers. So HCF of 104, 128 and 176 is equal to product of these 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is your answer. Okay, this is also prime factorization method, but we have done this all together. Understood? We can do this separately also, or you can do it all together also. It is up to you which is suitable for you. How do you want to do it? Either in the separation method or with all together method. Okay, I will send you the PDF of these two, and one more question I will do for you, and I will send the PDF. After that it is up to you how you want to do the HCF. Okay, so today we have discussed about find the HCF with the help of prime factor method by doing separately the numbers and all together. Tomorrow we'll do the division method. So your homework for today is complete question number 6 in your copy. Okay, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do division method. Okay, bye bye, take care.